Good morning, traders. This morning there's one show in town, and that for me is the core inflation data coming out of the Great British Pound. Now, it's forecast to be 2.8%. If this is an uptick, say you get 3% or maybe even 2.9, 3.1%, then that inflationary pressure is going to raise questions about whether the Bank of England is going to start raising interest rates. And there's a rate meeting coming out on Thursday of this week. So what I'm looking for an uptick in the inflation data today as an opportunity to kind of buy the rumor of a potential greater conversations about rate hikes on Thursday. So that would definitely result in appreciation of the pound. So my plan today is look at the inflation data. If the inflation data is higher than expected, then I'm going to look to buy the pound on a pullback into the meeting on Thursday, and I'll probably look at the pound US dollar pair. Now, if the inflation data is really soft, and it's something like 2.5 or 2.4%, then there's going to be a lot less pressure on the Bank of England to have to raise interest rates. So that's going to be more bearish for the pound. So I might look at opportunities there. I wanted to look at the pound CAD for that. And if you notice here, what interests me about the pound CAD is that was the rate hike from the Canadian dollar. And then so there's that big sort of sentiment shift up at the end of last week into this area here. It's a really good opportunity to sell. So I'm really looking to try to sell the pound CAD if you get soft data, or if the data comes out really good for the inflation, as in it's nearer 3%, and the pound appreciates against the Canadian dollar further, then I'll be looking at this area for Thursday to see if there's a way of getting in short here, which could offer a really good trade with a really low risk just above those lows and a high reward. But it all depends. But that's what I'm looking at. If it's 3% plus, probably looking at buying the pound US dollar. And if it's sort of, a lower rating, 2.6, 2.5, I'll be looking at selling the pound and just taking decisions there. Obviously, with the pound CAD, I need to check out what oil's doing. And oil at the moment was helping with the refinery coming back online after the trouble they've had over there in America. So that gave oil a boost yesterday. Okay, guys, that's what I'm looking at. And if you want to find out what happened, if I did take a trade or didn't take a trade, and see the result of it, just hit the link at the bottom of this video, and you'll be able to see the trades I did or didn't take. And if you like the video, hit like. Have a good day trading. Bye.